Now, this video that you see right here is not real, but this case is. I'm gonna show you how you can create an AI avatar and start selling your products online, any social media platform you want. Stay tuned. So I know right now you can see this, but you can't hear this. When I tell you the voices are realistic, you'll be able to select from tons of voices, and I'm gonna show you how we did ours. But look how dope this is. Look how real this is. Tell me this doesn't look the same. Look at the case. Look at her hand. Okay, so right now we're going to make one live. Right now we're going to do one live. So we have the product avatar tool. Let's get it. So we click the product avatar tool, and you see we've already made one. I can use the one we've already made, but let's make a new one for the sake of this example. And let's pick, I'm looking for somebody who already has pretty cool hand placement. So let's pick this girl. And you see what she's holding is chips. So we're gonna replace with our product. They make this so simple, bro. You click replace and they show you exactly which kind of pictures are acceptable. So if it's already in the hand of a model, they don't want it. If it's blurry, if it's incomplete, etc., etc. They only want with no background or a background on it with the product itself. So I'll go ahead and click this case, and then it's going to be removing the background. Okay, so they even give you a little example on the side that shows you how to edit the product and put it directly on top of the image. So we can move this around and change the positioning of it, make it bigger, smaller. What I'm gonna do is make it a little smaller, and we wanna see where the chips are. So I have to make it at least as big as the chips. So let's make it a little tiny bit bigger, and you can adjust the size, the position, and you can change the angle like we said. But once you think you got it to your liking and confirmed, just press this button right here. So just for the sake of this example, I'm going to confirm it, and it's just this simple. It's doing some AI merging. So the cool thing about this is that it's going to give you 3 different images to choose from. Okay, and you see, just like I said, it gave you 3 different choices. So you could pick choice 1, choice 2, or choice 3, and you can also give feedback as to whether you like the image or you didn't. So let's do image number 2. I think it makes her fingers look good around the case. So you can always go back as well and make the case smaller. But let's go ahead and move forward. Let's go to image to video avatar. And just like that, you wait, I don't know, a minute or 2, and the video is gonna be ready for you. I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, the video is done. I'm gonna make it full screen. When I tell y'all this is next level, it's next level.
I'm Top View Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Top View Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
As you see, we're not wasting no time. We are going to start making some sales with e-com. And again, I'm not your guru. This ain't financial advice. Do what you want to do. I'm telling you, this tool on your screen, Top View AI, will help you sell some of your products for e-com. It just is what it is, because now you don't have to wait for an influencer again. You're listening to a guy who spent a lot of his career. You're listening to a guy that spent the last couple years looking to get influencers, different girls and people to promote my products, services. And now the wait is over. So you see Top View, and let me just scroll down and just show you. You take a picture of this perfume and it turns into a product avatar. Then it turns into a product any shoot, and then the final video. Like, look at this, bro. Like, this is next level. So you see sunglasses turned into this dope girl that's not real, turned into her shoot, and the final video is right here. So when I scroll down, these are some of the companies that have worked with us, or worked with them, pardon me. You see L'Oreal, Anchor, AliExpress, Lay's chips. I mean, Evian, they getting paid. This is legit. So look at this, bro. Look how real those earrings are. This is a real picture of earrings, and then she selected a person from the avatar group or list, and the rest is history. Look at this girl modeling this sweater or shirt. Protein powder. How many of y'all like fitness influencers? A lot of them charge a lot. A lot of people on the internet, influencers, I'm gonna tell you, because you know me, y'all watching me right now. We're almost at the 1 million mark for amazing family members. But even me, you gotta understand, all of these big companies will be making their own AI. They will be making their own AI tool, because this cat is not real and it costs $0 to generate, or unless you pay for this software. This guy right here, not real, but this product is. So while everyone else struggles to catch up, as you see right here, alcohol being sold, skirts being sold, kitchen appliances being sold, everyone else is waiting and saying, nah, I don't want to use AI. It's not cool. They're debating. That's the same thing that happened with letters. Name me a person that'd rather send a letter over an email. They're probably old. So you see here, these are just different UGC videos. So while the average UGC person is getting paid, over the next 2 years, that's all going to change for influencers. It is what it is. People will start outsourcing here because it costs no money rather than paying you to model these sunglasses in a way that they find suitable when AI can do it right now. So another thing that sets TopView apart is they have some of the most realistic AI avatars, bro. Like, y'all can't tell me these people don't look real, bro. Look at this lady, bro. Look at bro with the shades. Look, these people are AI. You understand me? And you can keep going. They even got brown people. Look at this, a brown dude, bro. Look at this. So they even got all races of people, all genders. And so some of the things they can do here is app promotion, product marketing, try on video. So look, I'm gonna show you an example of each one of these videos so you can get the idea of what they kind of can offer. It's insane in this next level. Let's press play. So not too bad, you know, it still got some kinks, but that was pretty good. Let's see what he's talking about. Imagine making a tech page where you're not even in it. Who is that guy? No one knows. Let's continue. Let's see what Shorty in the dress talking about. And this is even better because that is less robotic. She's not talking, so you don't see the words being off. You can even use the voices that they provide here, wherever you so choose, but look at the products or the people that they're making. I think this is the key. Not only can they put your product in there, but the level and quality of realism or whatever you want to say it, how realistic these models are is next level, bro. Almost indistinguishable. So some of the things they do here is an AI script, an AI powered edit. So they edit the video for you, bro. They're editing the content for you. They got the AI influencers. All you need is a picture of your product and the product setup. And they even got the AI voiceovers like we spoke about before. So you don't need 11 Labs. You don't need HeyGen. All you need is TopView. And some of the cool things they've added lately is different AI auto captions. So I know a lot of us use CapCut, but bruh, imagine if you made a tech influencer and they had all the auto captions right here, as well as over 20 different languages. 20 languages. You hear what I'm saying to you? This is next level. So one thing I'm understanding about this is that this is the future of the way that sales is going. I think they're going to put some stipulations, some rules on it, and make it so that, you know, you're going to have to start letting people know if things are AI. There's going to be rules, regulations. But until then, baby, this is going to be the fastest way that I believe to start generating some e-com sales. And I want you to understand that it's not always about agreeing with things that are happening. It's more so, are you adaptable? Can you move with the times? Because like I said, you can mail some paper or you can send 100 emails from your desk or your phone. So if you want this tool right now and you want to start using this tool for free and sign up for this website, you got everything you need in the description. Everything, every link, I got you right there. And I also want y'all to let me know when you start making sales online, if you got a business, service, perfume, soap, all y'all sell different things. I want you to let me know what you sell and let me know if this worked for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, people, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did!